Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I am Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is immunity booster. You can call it home remedies too. In a pan, boil a liter of water, 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger, 8 to 10 peppercorns, cloves, some jaggery, stir it well, allow it to boil. We can turn off and pour it into a glass. Squeeze in some lime. Immunity booster ready to have. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have not done still, do it right. If you need more of these, please let us know. We'll be back with some more.